Hey there, so this is just a quick video on how to get relative, positional tracking in the DK2 with UE4. We're going to start off with the blueprint vehicle template. This has Oculus Rift support. It says sort of works DK1, not DK2 at the moment. This is using 4.4.2. I'm not sure if it's fixed in any later versions. So we'll just create a new project using the template, which not include starter content. So this would be just a lightning quick video. It's actually really easy, a lot easier than I have implemented it in the past. So I've done this in the space shooter template and other things, but that was kind of complicated and it didn't work the best. This is the method that I'm going to be using from now on. So first things first, I'll just show you the problem. So we'll just start off. This has some cool things where it has normal kind of mode, and then if you click tab, it'll actually go into first person, which is pretty nice. So just Alt Enter, go into Rift mode, and then you can also click Control R to recenter the Rift, which is pretty nice. So you notice rotation works pretty well when we're stationary. That's cool. But as I start moving and I start positional tracking, I'm actually moving the Rift left and it's going forward. And as I start to rotate, it kind of gets offset a little bit. So this is basically a video on how to fix this. So I'll just exit that. There's three things we really just need to do. Only three things actually. So if we go into blueprints and we'll add a player controller. Just VR player controller. There we go. And then we'll add a camera manager. This is where we'll do the Rift related stuff. It's pretty easy actually. Play camera manager. There we go. And so we'll just go into this player controller. We'll just grab it up here, and we just want to go into the defaults tab and set the player camera manager class to our newly created one. Just compile that just for safety, I guess. We'll go back into the camera manager. Go into its defaults and just one checkbox, follow HMD orientation. And this is basically the godsend for getting this to work. It pretty much fixes everything. So now we'll see if we go into here and play, you know, it's a little bit off. So what is actually happening, and I'll just let it load. Get in there, yeah, no, yes. So what is happening is we're using follow HMD orientation to get it to work, but then it's also using Epic's implementation, and so it's adding it twice. No, there we go. One sec. So if we go, so we have to go into my game actually and actually use the player controller. Good tip. Always do that. Right. So now we'll compile that. And we'll go into world settings as well, just to make sure that we are using this game mode. Alright, cool. So now everything should work. Yeah, so it's adding the rotation in twice actually, which is pretty interesting. So if I just go first person Rift, reset, we'll see I'm just rotating 90 degrees, but you see it's rotating 180. So this is a problem, easy to fix. We'll just fix it now. Alright, so what we're going to do is go into the sedan folder and then into the vehicle blueprint that is just sedan. So this has some pretty cool things for like changing cameras and stuff. But you can see this is the previous implementation where they're basically getting the Rift's rotation of the mesh and combining them and then setting that to the head rotation. But because we're doing follow HMD orientation, it's already adding it into the rotation of the thing. So if we add it again, we're actually adding it twice, basically. So all we need to do is delete those nodes, and then basically just re-add this into there, and everything works. So basically what this is doing here is getting the mesh's rotation, and then we're adding the Rift's rotation and position to that with the follow HMD orientation in the camera manager. And now we're setting that control rotation to this new rotation, which is pretty cool, and everything should work. Alright, let's give it a shot. There we go. tab to go in, Control R to reset. And now we see we're not double rotating anymore, so I'm rotating it 90 degrees left and right. And then if I go forward, I go left, it's going left. If I turn, staying left, go right, staying right. Forward, back and forward. I'm just going to move it back and forward, turn around, some crazy stunts. Yeah, drift. Yep, there we are. Alright, so that's just the quick video on how to fix the vehicle template with Oculus Rift. Got any questions, just leave them in comments or whatever. If you want me to put this template or whatever in the fixed template in Dropbox or whatever, I can do that. Yeah, anything else, just let me know. Alright, see ya.